Hey guys, I'm here to film a 10 products that I cannot live without video. I've actually seen a couple of videos on YouTube and I'll link it down below in my description that I watched on this topic, and I thought it was really interesting to share the 10 products that I think I couldn't live without in my beauty routine. And it's kind of similar to those GQ, 10 things I can't live without, but kind of the beauty edition. So I'm just going to go ahead and share the products that I think I couldn't live without in my beauty routine with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and if you're already a subscriber of mine, thank you for coming back to watch this video. I so appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright guys, so it was really hard to narrow down 10 products that I think I couldn't live without because there are so many products that I use, but I think I got a really good selection of products here, and I did kind of cheat on a couple of them, but let's just go ahead and get right into it. So the first product that I think that I can absolutely not live without would have to be my Beauty Blender Cleanser Solid. This is the only cleanser that I have found that works, one, on my beauty blenders, but also on my brushes. It is so fast. I love the packaging. It comes with a little silicone mat that you can use to really deep clean your brushes, and then the solid is in there, so you just swirl your brushes in. It smells amazing. It gets all of the makeup stains out of my brushes, even my white brushes. So I just really love this, and I haven't found anything yet that works as good as this. It's just super convenient. I really like the solid over the liquid as well, because I know that they make a liquid and I've tried that, but this is, hands down like my favorite brush cleanser, and I am really a stickler for cleaning my brushes and my beauty blender after I use them because I don't want to break out. So I really love this, and it lasts forever, and I think it's like $18. So this is also a good product to pick up whenever there's any sales, like at Sephora, Ulta, or anything like that, wherever they sell beauty blenders. But I really like that. So that's my first product that I absolutely can't live without. Alright, I cheated on the second one, but the second product I can't live without is going to be my Charlotte Tilbury foundations. And I couldn't really just put one foundation because I really like all of the foundations. I do use the new Airbrush Flawless foundation, but I didn't want to put that in because it's not my absolute favorite. I love it, but my favorites are going to be the Light Wonder foundation, which is her sheer to medium coverage water-based foundation. Think of this if like a tinted moisturizer grew up just a little bit. It's really good. And then I also love the Charlotte Tilbury Magic foundation. So this is like her OG full coverage foundation. This is a medium to full coverage, and it's a little bit more matte. I really love this. This wears on me all day, so I really like them both. I wear the color 9 in both of the formulas, but yeah, couldn't live without my Charlotte Tilbury foundations. I really don't try other foundations. I like to try different concealers and stuff, but these just really work for me and my skin. The next thing is that I cannot live without a brown lip liner. To be specific, I really love the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat and Foxy Brown. I know everyone loves the Pillow Talk lip cheat or the Iconic Nude Lip Cheat, but I really like the Foxy Brown for deeper skin tones because it is this beautiful neutral brown. It's not too red, it's not too purpley brown. It's like the perfect just middle tone brown color that goes with everything. I wear it every single day with any lipstick, red, nude, whatever it is. I'm going to be wearing this lip liner, and all of her lip cheats, all of her lip liners are waterproof. So I love the way that they wear. I really love this, and I don't do my makeup without this, so this definitely had to go into my list of the 10 products that I can't live without. Alright guys, so number 4 is going to be my Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This has been my favorite setting powder for years and years. I think when I started wearing makeup, I started using this, and I haven't gone to another powder to set my under eyes since. This is the perfect powder to set your under eye makeup, or even just kind of set, over your pores, over your entire face if you want to. I specifically use this under my eyes and like on the inside of my cheek, like over my pores, on my chin, the middle of my forehead, to just get rid of any shine. This is like a super long wearing powder, and it just makes your makeup look flawless, extremely flawless, and I haven't found anything to replace this, so I really love it. The loose one is the best one in my opinion. I know that it comes pressed, but you know, this is like an OG, and no doubt this is going to be a product that a lot of people can't live without in their makeup routine, especially if you bake or do anything like that. You're going to need this powder, but I really love it. It's like the best setting powder out there, honestly. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead into number 5, which is going to be my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I love this product. This is a really complicated product because people try to put it into like a foundation category, but it's not. People try to put it into a primer category. It's not really that, or a highlighting category. Kind of, but really what it is it's a complexion booster. So you can use it 4 ways. You can mix it with your foundation. You can put it under your foundation like a primer. You can put it on top of your makeup. That's what I have on today is my highlight. And you could also wear it alone all over as like a sheer kind of just glowy product. This is just the best product to make you look like you have glass skin. If glass skin was in a dictionary, this would be right under it. It does have a little bit of a sheer color to it. I have the shade 6 and 5. 6 is the one that I use on my face if I'm doing it under my makeup or mixing it with my makeup. 5 is the color that I use on top of my makeup if I'm highlighting with this product. So I really love these. You can own multiple colors and use them for different things. This is like a cult famous product. A lot of people love it, and it's really hard to find something like this. It's just like the best product, really, and I use it in so many different ways, and I don't do my makeup without this product. Like, even if I'm just like running out the door and I'm doing something light, I'm still gonna be applying this as a subtle highlight. If I'm doing a full makeup, I like to use this under my makeup and on top of my makeup. Or let's say I have a foundation that's really matte and I can't quite, you know, get it to look really good, then you can mix this with your matte foundations and kind of give those matte foundations a little bit of life without, you know, sacrificing the long wear. Yes, you don't have to sacrifice the wear of your foundation if you have a matte foundation with these. These are just, they're literally amazing, and I haven't found anything like this. And she did an amazing job with these. These are really, really good. The next product I can't live without is going to be, yes, my Beauty Blender sponge. I have so many of these. I really like the black one, which is the Pro, and then the original pink one. I feel like all the other ones, they're just not the same. The texture is a little bit different, but I really love these. I can't complete my makeup without one of these, even if I'm not using it to put on my foundation, because I actually prefer like a dense kind of flat brush for my foundation. But for concealer, I have to use a Beauty Blender. I feel like it just really applies the concealer nicely. It blends it out, you know, really fast and easy, and I just really love my Beauty Blender. I also set my under eyes with powder with my Beauty Blender. This is just an amazing sponge, and before this, I don't know what we were doing when we were applying our makeup, but definitely love this. Love this, and I know a lot of you feel me on that one because love Beauty Blender. The next products I can't live without are going to be, again, I'm cheating, but Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. I have much more than this, but these are some of my favorite colors. I really love her lipsticks. She really does a great job with the texture of her lipsticks. The colors are really good. She has a lot of unique colors. Of course, everyone loves Pillow Talk lipstick. I actually don't wear Pillow Talk. I find that it's just a little bit too, for my skin tone, a little bit too light, but I do actually have on Pillow Talk medium right now, which is the new darker version of Pillow Talk. I love it, but some of my favorites are like Stoned Rose, which I really love, which is this one. This is one of her kissing formulas. She has a couple formulas. This is a beautiful creamy lipstick, and it has this beautiful peachy tone. It's like the perfect peach nude for me. I love her lipsticks because they don't make my lips peel. A lot of lipsticks make my lips peel. I love her matte lipsticks. This one is Bond Girl, which is a beautiful, like, plummy nude. Then I'll share one more. This is Hepburn Honey, which is, I don't really wear nude lipsticks, but if I am, this one is a beautiful nude that looks really good on deeper skin tones with like a brown lip liner. Again, I just wear my Foxy brown lip liner, but I love her lipsticks. The formula is great. Again, it doesn't make my lips peel. It doesn't have a heavy fragrance to it. And they also have, even the matte lipsticks, they have this really nice, comfortable feel to them. So I really love her lipsticks a lot, actually. The next thing I can't live without is going to be cuticle oil, and I'm not very particular on what cuticle oil I use. I a lot of times will get little oil samples and just chuck them in my purse and use them as a cuticle oil, or I'll get like specific cuticle oils that are made for your cuticles. To me, it doesn't matter. I just need a cuticle oil, because if you know me in real life, you'll catch me like always putting oil on my fingers, because I wash my hands a lot at work, and now also being home, we tend to wash our hands a lot too with everything that's going on, and I have very dry hands. So to keep my hands looking somewhat okay, I really need a cuticle oil. I feel like when you put a cuticle oil, it just really makes your hands, they just instantly like improves, and they don't, your nail beds don't look as dry when you paint your nails. I feel like it makes your nail, you know, your manicure look better when you use a cuticle oil. I always use cuticle oil, like literally. This is probably my most used thing just in life in general. All right, my next two things are actually going to be hair related. The first one is going to be my silk scarf. I can't live life without my silk scarf. I do not lay down at night. I don't take naps without a silk scarf around my hair. It just saves my hair from getting damaged or, you know, being dry or breaking. So I really love my silk scarf. I wrap my hair at night, I'll put my silk scarf on. Even if I have my hair curly, I'll just tie this on my hair at night so that my hair is not touching my cotton pillowcases and getting dry or breaking. This is like every girl's like, you need this, you know, especially, you know, if you straighten your hair, it's like naturally curly, you straighten it and you put it up at night, you need to put a silk or satin scarf or bonnet, something on your head. It really will save you in the long run. And I've had this particular silk scarf I've literally had it for almost like 15 years now. Yeah, I've literally had it for over 15 years. I'm thinking back to when I got this. I got this when I was in high school. Yep, I got this when I think I was in high school, and I was in Williamsburg, and I got it from Buffalo Exchange. And this is actually a Korean Air little scarf, but it's silk and it's amazing, and I've had it again for 15 years. I wash it and it's just like the best thing ever. I can't live without it. And then last but not least, the last thing I can't live without is going to be my Dyson blow dryer. I don't know what I was doing before this blow dryer. It just really cuts down the time when you're blow drying. I feel like it makes my hair shiny. It's just something about this blow dryer. It really is worth the money. I actually got this as a gift from my team at work. Not this past Christmas, but the Christmas before that. It was such a surprise and an amazing birthday / Christmas gift, because my birthday is like literally days before Christmas. So this was just an amazing surprise. They like threw a little surprise party for me at work. It was amazing. But I really, really love this. It just is an amazing product. And yeah, a lot of people use it. A lot of hairstylists use it for good reason, because it really, really, really works, actually. So those were all the products that I could not live without. I could do like 20, 30, 50 products I can't live without, but those are the 10 products I couldn't live without. Let me know down below what products that you absolutely love. What couldn't you live your life without? What beauty products do you absolutely love, that you're obsessed with? Let me know in a comment below. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.